Hello, thank you for considering to repair my XT motherboard. Let me show you the motherboards. Actually, I have two motherboards, this one and another one, which I will show you later. Okay, this is the condition of the motherboard. As you can see, I will show different places. This is the BIOS IC socket, and as you can see, here was the battery. This is the damaged area. Now thing is, you can see the tracks, but there is hardly any continuity, and this is the RAM chips, memory chips. See this, there are some ticks, check marks. These pins are connected, but there is an issue with I think this one and this one. Okay, let me show you the entire motherboard. This is a chipset IC. I have it. I kept it in a different place. I will show you. This is the processor and coprocessor socket. It has it used to have a V20 processor. See this? This is made in India. This is the board one, and the other board is made in Taiwan. I will show you later. I have removed. I tried to remove all the sockets, and I found this area is few tracks missing in these areas, and this is the battery area. As you can see the traces, but I do not sure how good they are. My knowledge is not that much. Okay, I call it a green board or XTA. I call it green board because the PCB is totally green, and the other board is green and yellow. Okay, let me show the back of the motherboard. Oh, there is an error. This keyboard socket is damaged. There is a trace error. Now here you can see a slight black spot. This is due to the desoldering process. Okay, I don't know the condition of this socket. This is the original socket. We may or may not need to change it. Okay.